Welcome back, guys. In the last lecture we have completed the bookings list for the user. So that means whatever the bookings he has done, we are showing it in the profile page and in a separate tab called as the bookings. So now in this section we are going to wind up the complete testing. So we will test each and every scenario and each and every flow across the application, and wherever if we found any issues we will fix then and there. So that will be a very long lecture in the complete course. So we will start from the registration process. So wherever we found, as I said, any issues or any enhancements needed, also we are going to do the required things in this lecture only. Enhancements in the sense like providing the sorting list, search, we have not implemented the search now, so those things. So if any pending things we found, or if any bugs, or if any enhancements, we'll fix everything in this lecture only. So let's start from the registration process. Close this out. Okay, so name, email and password. Good. So let me go to the here. So here I am going to register with the details. Name is equal to Sai, email is equal to sai123@gmail.com, password 1234567 So before hitting the registration button, already we know a bug. So once the registration is done, the user must navigate to the login page by showing the text registration successful, please log in. So let's go to the register, close these all and go to the register page, and on finish. Yeah, so this is the message.success area. Let me go to the, we already have the navigate function. So once this is registration is done, you just have to navigate the user to the login. Perfect. So it's getting compiled. Let's give it for a couple of seconds. Yeah, click on the register. Done. So user created successfully. So you can alter this message in the backend. So let's go to the text, users route, register. So instead of use, where is the success message? Yeah, so here I'm just writing user registered successfully, or else registration successful. Registration successful, please log in. Registration successful, please log in. Okay, so let's register with one more user if possible. So we already have Sai Venkat. Let me have one more, Michael. So here I'm going to give the existing email. Let's see whether it is throwing the errors properly or not. So I'm going to give the last email, sai123@gmail.com, password 1234567 login. Yep, user already exists. So if you want to show the message by altering this, like email already exists or email already in use, you can adjust that in the back end. So right now this can give me the exact result what the user is expecting. So I'm not going to change anything here. So let's give the valid email now, michael123@gmail.com, registration successful, please log in. So this is the proper error message, success message that we are expecting. Now let's log in with the, what I can say, Michael details, michael123@gmail.com, password 1234567 Done. So we are in the home page. So header is okay. At the right side the logged in user information is okay, icon is fine, profile name is fine, logout is fine. So all the things are working properly. So if you go to any what I can say, movie page, so if you click on the header, it is navigating to the home page. So this is what we are expecting here, and then the link is also navigating to the profile. This is also fine. And what is this logout button? Of course it will work. And search, so this is the important thing, right? So let's go and implement the search. So go to the home page, go to the home. Okay, so first we need the text. So I'm implementing the client side search only this time. Const search text is equal to search text set search text. So where is the loop thing? Yeah, this is the loop thing, right? Okay, so I can write here dot filter method, dot filter. Yeah, so I got the snippets. So in the iteration I'm going to taking movie dot title dot two lowercase dot includes our search text. This is the thing. I am just filtering the movies which are matching with our search text. So you should not use the equal to, then you have to type the complete movie name. So we have to use only includes thing. So it can search with the partial text also. So let's go and search the doctor. Oh, we didn't have it the states for the input. So value text on change search text. Done. Now I am going to search doctor, fine, avatar, fine, dark, fine. So the search is working as expected. Now let's start with the what I can say. I'll open one more tab or else one more window in the Edge. So localhost 3000. So here I am going to add the venkat123@gmail.com, password 123456778, login, user I think it's just Venkat. Yeah, so Venkat has logged in. So let me open the scenario also, notepad. So here we are considering Venkat, which is present in the Microsoft Edge browser. He is the theater owner. Theaters owner. So from this account we are going to add the theaters. And Arjun, already we know Arjun is the incognito, Chrome incognito. He is the admin. And who is the normal one? We already Sai. I think Sai is the normal one. Sorry, Michael is the normal one. Michael, normal Chrome is the basic user. So this is the scenarios testing. Okay, so let's Venkat is also logged in the Edge, and here Michael is logged in. So now in the incognito I'm going to log in with the what I can say Arjun. Yeah, incognito localhost 3000 Arjun 123.123.456.78, login. Done. Okay, so we will implement the scenario with the current date 14/1/2023. So you are not going to miss anything. First I'll go to the Venkat profile, theaters. So Venkat is already having a theater, VR Talkies. So it is located in address Chennai, phone number, email, status is approved. So as we are in the testing phase, I am going to add the new theater. So this is the new theater. So I am just writing theater name as Sudarshan 35 mm. So this is the theater name. I am just writing the address as Hyderabad, India. Phone number 987-456-3210. Email sudarshan@gmail.com. Save. Done. So as per the latest list, it is getting sorted. This is working fine. Here it is pending and blocked. So let's see, the admin is in the admin list also it has to show. So admin is present in the incognito. This is the admin. So if admin go to the profile, theaters, yes. So Sudarshan 35mm is pending for the approval. Here you can see, but I think we have a bug. So if you go to the home page, oh yes, we don't have any bug. I thought it will list the theater here, but we are not listing the theaters. So we are listing only movies. So there won't be any bug here. Okay, so let's approve the theater. So I'm going to approve the theater that has been requested by the Sudarshan. Approve. Perfect. So here in the theaters column, I'm also going to provide the owner name. For the admin, it would be better. So go to the admin to understand whose theater is that. Close this out. API calls. Pages, admin, theaters list. So name, address, phone number, email, owner. Owner. So I think it will be in the owner.name render. Render will be record.text return owner.name. Perfect. Let's see. So we are getting the empty string. That means we are not populating the owner details in the get all theaters. So go to the theaters list. Theaters list. Oh, theaters route. Theaters route. So get all theaters by movie. Where is get all theaters? Yeah, this is the get all theaters. Here try to populate the owner. Populate owner. Done. Let's refresh now. We should get this time. Theaters. Awesome. So here you can see we have 2 theaters for Venkat and 2 theaters for John. So this is working as expected. Okay. So let's go to the Venkat account again. If you refresh, theaters status is approved. So this is working as expected. Now what we are left with? So we are left with the shows. So right now Sudarshan 35 will not have any shows, I think so. Let me open the shows. It is empty. And here also if you open, VR Talkies is having the evening show on Jan 15th, which is running Avatar. Sorry, not Avatar, Doctor Strange. So this is okay. So go to the Sudarshan 35mm. Okay, add show. So here we can add the shows. Here I can pick the movie, but to test the movies also we are going to add the new movie, because already we have the existing 3 movies in the user panel. So let's go to the admin panel and add a new movie, so we can test that also. Go to the movies, add movie. Yeah, so add movie is okay. So let's add the movie Avengers. So let's go to the UI and pick some description, or else give it as it is. A Marvel movie. Okay. So movie duration I'll give 135 minutes. Here it's better to have minutes to understand. So go to the movie form and go and search minutes. Movie duration, yeah. So here I'll just keep it minutes. And okay, yes, yeah, movie duration in minutes. If you want, you can give the type number also. Let's give it type number. Release date, okay. Genre, okay. Poster URL, yeah, this is fine. Okay, movie duration 130 minutes. Language English. Movie release date, I'm going to write Jan 16th. Action, poster URL, so let me copy Avengers poster, any one of the Avengers poster. Okay, we need horizontal kind of thing. Yeah, this is better. Yeah, I'll copy this, copy image address and put it here, save, done. So new movie got saved here. So name Avengers, Marvel movie, 130, action, English, fine. Okay, got it now. So even if you refresh, you'll get that. Yes, Avengers, you can see. So let's have this as Avengers Endgame. I think go and edit that so we can test the edit operation for the movie. Avengers Endgame, done. Very fast response. Let's refresh it here. Avengers Endgame, fine. Okay, yes. Now let's add the shows for this Avengers Endgame in the latest added theater, Sudarshan. So our owner is present in the here. Owner is present in Edge. Yeah, he is the owner. So in the Sudarshan 35mm on 14th Jan, I am going to add the new movie. Sorry, new theater. Yeah, here we found a bug actually. Let's see. Even if you click on the ad, it is showing the previous details, this time not. But if you found this bug, you just need to clear the set selected theater null. Okay, edit and let's add the theater. Oh, fine, working fine, no issue. So let's go to the shows. Shows are empty. Show name, I'm going to write evening show. Evening show. Date 14th only. Okay, let's have it 14. Yeah, and time I'm going to select 18:00, which is nothing but 6 p.m. New movie name will be Avengers Endgame. Ticket price 130, seats 120. Save, done. Show added successfully. Let's add one more show for the same movie on the same date with different time. Night show. Night show. Date. Okay, let's write 14/01/2022. Here I'm just writing it. Sorry, time 21, which is nothing but 9 p.m. Movie Avengers Endgame. Ticket price same 130. Total seats 140 or 144. Value must be 14/1/2023. Okay, good error message. Yes. So night show, evening show, perfect. So let's go to the user. Avengers Endgame, awesome. So here you can see I am getting the theaters. So Sudarshan 35mm, address, 2 shows, 6 p.m, 9 p.m. So there are no theaters for this Avengers Endgame apart from the Sudarshan 35. Now let's go and add another theater. So go to the Venkat. This VR Talkies is there, right? Let's see. Do you have any shows on VR Talkies for Jan 15th? Okay, let's add on another show. So show name, evening show, or else what we can do. Okay, first let's do the booking scenario. If we add this another, it will take 5 minutes. So let's go to the 6 o'clock. Okay, all the seats are available, nothing to worry. Okay, right now the book now button is not present, so here if you want to adjust anything you can do. I think we just need to adjust these titles. These are looking somewhat awkward, so only the movie name should be highlighted, remaining should be small. So go to the book show. So this is the first one, right? So the first part will be text SM. Okay, here also last part text SM. Yes, so these are fine now. So Sudarshan 35mm, Hyderabad, India. Only Avengers Endgame is in the bigger text. Even if you want to display some image also, you can display here. Okay, so I think this is fine, nothing to worry. So I am going to book the 4 tickets, 53, 54, 55, 56. So the middle 4 tickets I am going to book now. I'm just giving some details. All 4 twos, 1225, 123. Pay. Loading. Success. Show booked successfully, and I got the ticket. Seats 53, 54, 55, 56. Booking ID and amount, date, theater. So everything is working as expected. So I booked from the Michael account. Of course Michael will not be having any theaters, so if you want to become the owner you can apply. That's later phase. Now let's go to the Avengers Endgame, and if I go to the 6 o'clock we can see 4 tickets got already booked. This is fine. So if you want to display here number of seats available booked, you can display that. That would be the good thing. Okay, after the seats dot empty 2. So here I'm just writing selected seats. I think this is not required, that's already visible. Just have a card, and not here I think. Where? Okay, first let's make this flex. First one is h1 dot text sm. Yeah, so here I'm just write total seats is equal to selected seats dot length, and then h1 total price is equal to selected seats dot length into show dot ticket price. Okay, this one also text sm is required because the customer has to know what is the total amount. Yeah, so right now selected seats 0, total price 0. We need to make this uppercase, and wrap this thing and put it inside a flex. Justify center, and make it card and P2. Okay, justify center, why it is not working? Yeah, justify. And here for this flex have gap 3. Done. So total seats 0. Okay, total price also 0. Only even this also you just need to show it if it is if selected seats dot length, if selected seats dot length greater than 0, or else you can do one thing, show it here. Already you have the condition. Yeah, if you select anything, yes. Okay, we'll do one thing. Okay, let's have these two here, and flex, justify center, and also gap 5 or gap 3, items center. Item center is not working. Why? What is the issue? It has to come down. Let me inspect. Oh, I think the bottom div is having empty2. This one. Yeah, just get rid of this. Yes, the book now is fine. Or else if you want to show this at the top also, that's fine, but bottom is good. And make this flex column. I think that would be much better. Flex, sorry, not this one, flex column. Flex column or else flex call. Done. Yeah, so total seats 2, total price, or else instead of total seats, let's make these as selected seats. Selected seats. Okay, selected seats dot join of empty string, or else comma. Yes, so 42, 43, and also make this text bold. Here also this text also bold to understand the value and key. Okay, so let's have the bold is not working anyhow. Let's see that later. Okay, selected seats 42, 43, total price 260. Fine. Book now will populate obviously. So yes, this is also working as expected. So our booking page also got refracted. I think for these where we have empty2 is not required anyhow. Oh, we need, yeah, gap 3 is not required, just have it gap 2. Fine guys. Okay, Avengers Endgame, are we missing anything here? No, I think so. Here they can pick and they can click on the book now. Gone. Yeah, so booking screen is also fine. I think we are good in the testing now. So let's go and what we can, I think we are good. No need to test anything because right now you guys are clear. So if you found any issues, let me know, we'll fix it. Thank you all. So in the next lecture we are going to work on the deployment. Thank you.